let's continue with a nice abs killer. So from here, you come back to center and you place the feet on the ground. So we're starting here on the back. Bring the arms onto the ground next to your body. And we're just gonna start with a movement of our pelvis. So we're gonna exhale, tuck the tailbone under, the lumbar spine is melting down into the mat. Inhale, release, come back to the neutral spine position. So you have, again, a little bit of space under your lumbar spine. Just this exercise here for the beginning, because this is super important when you focus on your abs while lying on your back. So we want to support our back. So we want to keep the back safe. So we need that imprint position. All right, so let's go one more. Exhale, imprint. And then inhale, neutral spine position. Relax the shoulders, arms down. And with the next inhale, you lift the right leg into tabletop. Exhale, imprint position, and lift the left. Inhale, ground the right foot, neutral spine. And exhale, step down with the left. Start with the left. Inhale, tabletop. Now tuck the tailbone under, right leg is floating up into tabletop. Left foot down and neutral spine position, inhale. And ground the right foot, exhale. Keep going. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, imprint position, and lift the second leg. Right foot down, neutral spine, breathe in and breathe out. Good job. So next round, we stay in the tabletop position with both legs. Hold it here. Right hand is moving onto the right thigh. Now with the exhale, just press the hand against the thigh. Inhale, release. And exhale, press the hand against the thigh. Oh yes, so you can feel your core really working here as you press the hand against the thigh. Breathe in. And breathe out, press. 2 more like this. Keep the lumbar spine on the ground. Woo, abs are shaking. Now keep the pressure here with the right hand on the right hand on the right thigh. And with the next exhale, tap with the left big toe on the ground. Breathe in, lift. And breathe out, tap. So really bring that motion into your hip. So not only drop the lower leg, move the complete leg. Tap down with the big toe. Ooh, oh yes, breathe in. And breathe out. 2 more of these. Keep pressing the hand against the thigh. You got this. Breathe in. And breathe out. You can stick to it here or you progress. Stretch the left leg. Breathe in. Lower down the leg just above the floor. Breathe out. Breathe in, lift. Breathe out, lower down. Make sure the lumbar spine is still kissing the ground. 4 more of these. Don't pull the right knee to your chest. Breathe in. Relax the shoulders. Breathe out. Oh no, I forgot to count, but I think it's 2 more. Breathe out. And breathe in. Okay, team. The next time you lower your leg, keep the leg here, just above the floor. Breathe in and breathe out. Lift the head and the shoulder blades. And breathe in, lower down. If it's too much, just ground the left leg. Breathe out, lift. Head and shoulder blades. Breathe and lower down. All right, 4 more to go. With the left leg just above the floor or the left leg on the ground. So protect your spine. Listen to your body, what you need. 2 more, 2 more. And with the next round, you got this. Hold head and shoulder blades in the air. Bring the fingertips behind your ears. And we're gonna twist. Left shoulder towards the right knee. Exhale. Inhale, center, don't drop. Keep head and shoulder blades in the air. Twist, exhale. Woo, and inhale. Abs are on fire. feel free, feel invited to drop the left leg on the ground, okay? 3 more. We got this together. And breathe in. Oh my gosh. Come on, 2 more. And breathe in. This is your last. Breathe out. And breathe in. Drop it down. Knees to your chest. Hug your legs. Relax for a moment. Good job. So breathe in the positive energy. Breathe out the negative. Prepare yourself for the second round. Mentally set your mind and say to yourself, I got this. So slowly arrive on the back again. From here, you can feel it very good that the lumbar spine is on the ground. So with the knees close to your chest, it's pretty easy. When you move your knees away from your chest into the tabletop position, things get a little bit more intense. So you can play with that during the exercises. If you feel here you're moving into the hollow back, just pull the knees a little bit closer towards you and the lumbar spine is coming back onto the ground again. All right, so from here, left hand against the thigh, exhale. And inhale, slightly release. Press, hand against the thigh, exhale. And breathe in, 4 more of these. What is also helpful is pressing the legs against each other. So you create more power in your legs, in your adductors, in your pelvic floor. What is supporting your core. Good job, breathe in. Breathe out, press, press, press. 1 more, breathe in, and then keep the pressure. Breathe in, and breathe out, tap with your right big toe onto the ground, and breathe in, lift. Not only drop your lower leg, move the whole leg. So it's also motion in your right hip. 4 more, breathe out, and breathe in. Make sure your neck is long. So feel free to slightly pull your chin towards your chest to create more length. Let's go 2 more. This is a nice option. You can stick to it. If you want more progress, extend the leg. Inhale. And exhale, lower down. Breathe and lift. Breathe out, lower down. Only as low as you can keep the imprint position. Let's go 4 more. Enjoy. And breathe in. Synchronized movement and breath. And breathe in. You're almost there. Press the hand against the thigh. Don't forget this. And then hold the leg just above the floor or rest the leg on the ground. You choose. Chest lift. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, lift head and shoulder blades off the ground. And inhale, lower down. The right hand, the right arm is just sliding down and up. Whew, 4 more. And 3 more. I know this is tough. Keep going. Keep pressing the left hand against the thigh. 2 more. And then hold head and shoulder blades in the air. Fingertips behind your ears. Inhale. We're going to twist to the left. Right shoulder towards the left knee. And back to center. Inhale. Keep the shoulder blades in the air. Exhale. Twist. And inhale, center. 4 more. Elbows nice and wide. Use that breath. No hollow back here. Lumbar spine is kissing the mat. Yes, amazing. Come on, 1 more. And then rest the head on the ground, hugging the legs. Woo! Rock from side to side. Be proud of yourself here. Thanks for watching. If you like this workout, then let's take it to the next level together. Join our online studio and be part of our weekly live streams via Zoom. Get real-time feedback on your exercises and connect with a community of amazing women. So let's create a workout routine that keeps you committed and motivated. Or continue with this free YouTube workout over here. See you there!